Hey gang, so I am here with Sam Johnson and his BMW M4 competition. We have Emery. Say hello, Emery.
M3.
Oh, M3 competition. M3 competition. It's a BMW. You're ruining my vlogging.
Hello.
James Murphy's here as well. So Emery is going to fit Sam's crank hub mod, and while we're there, we're going to fit ACL race bearings, and we're also fitting a braided line kit that is on the brakes.
Rear diff bushes.
Oh,
BBC racing brakes.
racing? Is that the new blue stuff that they had out?
No, you're thinking of pads. I'm talking discs.
Oh, discs! No way!
All the more to send me into the coolers.
That's black.
Nürburgring.
Nürburgring.
Yes.
Do you go Nürburgring?
Yeah.
I've been to the Nürburgring.
Have you? I hear you've got a number plate.
I have a BCG number plate.
Luke, tell us more about your number plate.
321. Oh, sorry, E21 BCG.
E21 or
E21.
Oh, E21. I thought it was E321.
No, E21.
Oh, it's just E21 BCG.
E2, yeah.
Oh, nice. And what is that? What's that relevant to?
Oh, it's E21, right? You're gonna on a race.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and a BCG.
What, like 3-2-1 race, but 3-2-1 bridge to gantry?
Yeah.
Good. I like that.
Yes. You ready, steady, go.
And what's that going on?
It's going on the Aston. On the Aston, but it's getting gas golds quite soon.
How do we think the Aston's going to compare to the FA?
Oh, there's no comparison at all.
In what respect?
You're gonna like probably get round quicker.
Yes, mate.
But then your mum's 100% gonna get around my house quicker.
Yeah, she'll want the passenger seat.
Yes.
For sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, there is that.
Yeah. I'm gonna get the seats, the front seats or the only seats, retrimmed in Alcantara because slippery when wet and all that.
I was going to say, but that will be a bit slippery, won't it, when you've got all of the clients in the passenger seat?
Alcantara won't.
Sure.
Yeah. When you have half.
I just prefer a fucking slip and slide in there. So.
The tickle seats.
Yeah.
The tickle seats. I need a passenger ride. Or rather,
you want to?
Yeah,
sure.
Yeah.
You're going to vlog it.
Who is it?
Yeah,
that'd be good.
I
I feel like we start a podcast series.
I don't have a microphone.
I have.
Do you?
Yeah. Blue Yeti.
I don't know if that's good or not.
Yeah. It's about on the term of like 10 being the best microphone studio recording quality, 1 being an iPhone 2G. Probably about 7.
Oh, so they can hear my squeaky voice then.
Yeah.
And the little bit nasal that I have.
Yeah, I've got that as well. What nice breath.
Cool. Tune in for the next episode.